In this video, we will be learning how we can reset the password or remove the password in any user account that we have in our Windows 11 devices. So for that, we need to open first our settings. Please make a right click here in the Windows icon and select the settings option. Now, once the settings window is already open, you can now click on this accounts option here in this left pane and then move on with sign in options. Now here, you can select this password option, and if you want to change it, just click on change. Now, if you can remember your password, then you can just type it in here, the current password, and then just click on next so that you can change your password with another one. Now, let's see, if you don't remember your password, then all you need to do to reset it or to remove it is to go to the command prompt window. So let me just close this one. And to go to the command prompt window, we'll need to type here in the Windows search tab CMD. And then once you do that, you will get under best match the command prompt option. So please make a click here in the run as administrator option and then click on this user account control. Just say yes. Now you will be getting this kind of window. All you need to do is just to type net user, and then all you need to do is just to click on enter. You will be seeing here all the user accounts that you have in your device. Now here you need to select the user account that you're using and you want to remove or set or reset the password with. So I'll just select this John account here and then click on copy. Now we need to type again net user and the user account space star. Once you have typed it, just please click on enter, and then we have here type a password for the user. So since we want to remove the password or to reset the password, just please click on enter again and then click enter again. And as you can see, we have not set any password for this user account. Now once you will sign in with this user account, you won't be asked with any password. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can reset or remove any password for the user account in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.